If you want to export high-quality 2D graphics from SketchUp, the key is to control your export settings before you save the file. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow to get crisp, professional-looking images for presentations, client reviews, or even print use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. First, make sure your camera view is exactly how you want it. The best way to do this is by using a scene. Scenes let you lock in the perfect angle, so every time you come back to it, your view stays consistent. Once your model is framed the way you want, you're ready to export. Now go up to the top menu and click File, then Export, and choose 2D Graphic. This opens the export window where you can save your current view as an image file. SketchUp gives you a few format options here, so choose the one that best fits your project. If you need a standard image for sharing, PNG or JPG may work well. If you need the more professional result, pay close attention to the export settings before continuing. This next step is the crucial part, and it makes a huge difference in quality. In the Save dialog, look to the bottom right and click the Options button. A lot of people skip this step, but this is where you unlock the settings that control image quality. Inside the Options panel, uncheck Use View Size. If you leave this enabled, SketchUp will export based on the current screen size, which can give you a low-resolution image that looks blurry or pixelated. Turning this off lets you manually set a much larger export size. Now set the width to at least 4000 pixels if you want a high-quality result for print or a polished presentation image. You can go even higher depending on your needs, but 4000 pixels is a strong starting point for detailed graphics. SketchUp will automatically adjust the height to maintain the correct aspect ratio, so you don't have to worry about stretching or distortion. Next, make sure Anti-Alias is checked. This is what smooths out the jagged edges on your model lines and gives the graphic a cleaner, more refined look. If you turn this off, your export can look rough and unfinished, especially on diagonal edges and curved geometry. If you're exporting for print, set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. That's the standard for professional print quality and helps ensure your image stays sharp on paper. For on-screen use, you may not always need that much, but for anything that needs to look clean and detailed, 300 dpi is the safest choice. Once those settings are in place, click OK to save your options, then finish the export. SketchUp will generate your 2D graphic using the settings you selected, and the result should be much sharper than a basic default export. So, to quickly recap, use a scene to lock your view, go to File and export a 2D graphic, open Options, turn off Use View Size, set the width to 4000 pixels or more, keep Anti-Alias enabled, and use 300 pixels per inch for print. That workflow will help you create clean, high-resolution images from SketchUp every time. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next SketchUp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.